Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a Facebook notification widget on home screen. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. In order to add Facebook notification widget to your home screen, hold on the screen and at the bottom is the widgets. Tap on the widgets and tap on, you can either search it up or just what you can do is go in the widget option. You can see all of these options are available here. Now what you can simply do is, you can see there is this notification option, not enough space on the page, but this one is it. Simply tap on it if you have enough space on your page, and once you do it, you can see this is the notification bar, and that is how you can add Facebook notification widget to your home screen. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.